very wonderful evening to everyone. This is me, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at Vegas, and today I'm present in Peruvian Gastronomy Festival, and it's an honor to be present with the Ambassador of Jamaica, Mr. Keats Hall. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, we would like to know from you that, today's event has been phenomenal. So what is the best thing you have loved about today's evening?
So one of the most fascinating things about events of this nature is that it's a cultural exchange.
Right.
It's one thing to show somebody pictures of a country. It's one thing to show a movie, play music. But gastronomy affords a whole other experience. So this has been an amazing event where we get to sample the world-class gastronomy of Peru, which is among the gastronomies of the world. And it's been truly remarkable. And I'm very proud of my colleague ambassador for this tremendous event that is put on.
That's wonderful. Sir, we would like to know from you that what is the one thing that you have liked in India and you would like to have a takeaway from this country back to Jamaica?
So what you must understand is that Jamaica and India share a very intertwined history.
Okay.
India is in Jamaica for the past 180 years.
Wonderful.
Next year we celebrate 180 years of the arrival of Indians in Jamaica. And of course, Jamaica is known to be in the region of West Indies.
Right.
We share common values. So in terms of bringing back from India, much of India is already in Jamaica.
Yeah.
What I hope to achieve is a greater awareness of Jamaica in India. And in terms of our own gastronomy, when we talk about Jamaican outputs, there is premium Jamaican rum, which is of geographic indication. And here in India, I believe that the notion is that rum is a wintertime drink.
Okay.
And Harry Belafonte said it in his song, the rum is fine any time of the year. So the one thing I hope to really achieve is a greater awareness of all things Jamaica here in India.
Right. As a child, what are the things that you have, inculcated in yourself, which today's children are missing and you want to have them within themselves?
Oh, my childhood is very different to the childhood that is being experienced now.
Right.
And the truth is, there are many things from my childhood, but the times and reality are different. One thing I think we all must be appraised of is the sense of ourselves, not just in terms of our role in our families or in our schools or in our countries, but as a planet. And that greater sense of responsibility, of stewardship. I think education has changed phenomenally since COVID.
True.
There's been a fundamental change as to the way we learn. And so there are new skills required. In my time, you studied for exams, you learned known solutions to known problems. Today, the world is a little more uncertain. And I think students need to develop stronger reasoning skills, analytical skills, problem solving, all while having a greater sense of where they occupy in the wider realm of humanity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.